Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Kusama currently trading above $25. How low can Kusama go in 2023 if we keep dumping to Goblin Town? If we see a pump to the upside, how high can Kusama possibly go in 2023? Can we even set new all-time highs in 2023? All coins have been dumping really well in the last 1 year. We have seen Kusama lose more than 91% of its value in 2022. Hopefully 2023 will be bullish, and in this video we'll be looking at the Kusama US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at critical levels where Kusama might find support in the bear market. If we keep dumping to Goblin Town, if we start pumping to the moon, where are we going to face resistance? We'll also be looking at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, Kusama's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at Kusama's market cap. Currently, Kusama has a market cap of over $214 million. Will Kusama's market cap drop to Goblin Town? If we start pumping to higher prices, where are we going to get stopped out in 2023? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, all coins are down bad in the last 1 year. We've seen Kusama go from as high as $310 to as low as $23.66. 2022 has been brutal to all coins. Not just Kusama alone. If you take a look at the altcoin market, we have other altcoins that are down 92%, 97%. Solana is down more than 94%. We have Sand losing more than 93% in the last 1 year. The story of 2022 has been all coins getting destroyed. But will they continue dumping to Goblin Town in 2023? How low can Kusama probably go if we keep dumping to 2023? Guys, at some point in time 2023, we are going to find the bottom. But if we find that bottom, can we pump it to new all-time highs? How high can Kusama possibly go in 2023? This is a Kusama US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Kusama had a wonderful bull run. We saw this altcoin go from the 1st of January 2020 when it was trading around the $1 region. We saw Kusama pumping to as high as $634 by May 2021. Kusama went up more than 63,000% in 492 days. Those were wonderful, wonderful times in the bull market. But guys, after the bull market comes the bear market, and the bear market, the opposite of what happens in the bull market, is what we see. In the bull market, all coins were pumping to the moon. Everything was up only. Right now in the bear market, everything is dumping to Goblin Town and everything is down only. We have seen Kusama drop more than 96.26% from the all-time high we set in May 2021. Can we go any lower in 2023? There's always that possibility. If Kusama breaks below the $22.84 level where we have gotten to in this bear market, we might see Kusama dropping to Goblin Town, maybe even getting to as low as $7.8. From where we're currently trading right now, Kusama will have to go down another 70% for us to get there. And we're waiting for that one final dump to the downside. The same way in the bull market when Kusama was pumping, we had one final pump to the upside before we started dumping. It's the same way I'm expecting one final dump to the downside before we start pumping to higher prices. 2023 is going to be a great year of accumulation. We've gone through the bull market, we've gone through distribution, and we've seen Kusama going through the markdown phase. In the previous bear market, we saw a lot of altcoins take around 800 days to finally find their bottom. If Kusama is going to copy what other altcoins have done in the past, we might see Kusama find its bottom in 2023. Maybe in July 2023, we'll finally find the bottom. But guys, 2023 is going to be a very, very pivotal year for Kusama. If you're going to be buying this altcoin right now in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, you want to be careful. You want to dollar cost average through the process. You don't want to go all in when you're buying some Kusama, because the fact that you have bought in doesn't mean you can't keep dumping to Goblin Town. The fact that you're having some Kusama doesn't mean we can't see dump another 70%. This is why I would like altcoins. They're very, very volatile. They can dump really well, but at the same time, they can pump really well to the upside. Now, if we see Kusama pumping in 2023, how high can we possibly go? One important level I'll be paying attention to, apart from the $22.8 level where we bottomed in the bear market of 2022, will be around the $62.5 region. Now, if you take a look at what Kusama has done in the past, we've had strong reactions to that $62 region. We had a reaction to that level in August 2020. That was an all-time high. We had to come back to the $22.8 region to gather ourselves, and we finally saw Kusama breaking into new all-time highs again by January 2021. So will history repeat itself? Are we going to see Kusama bottom before we enter 2023? If Kusama starts pumping in 2023 and we get above the $61 region, another region where Kusama might find heavy resistance in 2023 might be around the $117 region. From where we're currently trading right now, Kusama will have to go up around 336%, and if we're very lucky in 2023, we might even see Kusama rally up 500%, getting to as high as the $150 region. Now, the fact that we're in a bear market doesn't mean we won't get some pumps to the upside. The market is due a rally. We have been dumping for majority of 2022. Kusama started the year around $286, and we've seen it end the year around the $22 region. So in 2023, we'll be expecting a counter rally to the upside. Maybe Kusama will get to $61. If we're lucky enough, we might get to either $117, or best case scenario, we'll see Kusama trading around the $150 region. But 2023 is going to be a year of accumulation. If you're going to be buying these altcoins, getting ready for the next bull run, 2023 is the year you want to do that. In the next bull run happening in 2024 and 2025, we'll see altcoins like Kusama pumping to the moon. But for you to enjoy those pumps, you have to be willing to take the important step in the bear market. A famous investor once said something: you want to buy when the market's in extreme fear, and you want to sell when the market's in extreme greed. Right now, the market is in extreme fear, and we have been dumping to Goblin Town. But guys, there are better days ahead. The fact that we've been dumping to Goblin Town the last 1 year doesn't mean we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town in 2023. I believe in 2023, we'll see a counter rally to the upside. If you take a look at what Kusama has done in the last 1 year, this altcoin has gone from as high as $334 to as low as $21.89. With a market cap of $240 million and a fully diluted market cap of $243 million, Kusama has a total supply of 9.6 million coins. Out of those 9.6 million coins, it has a circulating supply of over 8.4 million coins, and Kusama is currently ranked 110 on coin market cap, with over 261,000 people having Kusama on their watch list. Now, why should you buy this altcoin in the bear market, and where can you get some if you want to get some getting ready for the next bull run? You can get some Kusama on Binance, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Coinbase Exchange, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Kusama is self-described as Polkadot wild cousin. Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Now, if you take a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, the bull market was a very glorious time. We saw Kusama outperforming Bitcoin. In around 486 days, Kusama went up over 15,000% against Bitcoin. That's one Bitcoin invested in Kusama in February 2020 would have returned more than 155 Bitcoins by June 2021. But that was the bull market. Right now, Kusama is going through a bear market, and we've seen it drop more than 90% against Bitcoin. In 2023, I'll not be shocked to see Kusama further losing value against Bitcoin. That's what happens in the bear market. I don't think Kusama will be the exception in this bear market. Be ready to see Kusama lose value against Ethereum also in 2023. Yes, we might catch some rallies to the upside against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, but ultimately, we might end 2023 going to Goblin Town. Kusama has been dumping really well against Ethereum since March 2021. We have seen it lose more than 93% of its value, and it has been dumping for around 635 days. And guys, altcoins can spend a very long time dumping, but why we like altcoins is that they can pump to the moon, just like the way Kusama did in the previous bull run against Ethereum, where Kusama went up more than 7,000% against Ethereum in 411 days. Now, Kusama will rise again in the future, but in 2023, Kusama will find somewhere to bottom, at least in the bear market. If we get a counter rally to the upside, we might see Kusama maybe rally 200 or 300% against Ethereum, but ultimately setting a lower high. It might do so against Bitcoin too. We might see some rallies to the upside. We might see Kusama rally up against Ethereum and Bitcoin in 2023, but when we get to heavy resistance, we might see that rally get shut up, and we might keep dumping to Goblin Town. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap, these are key levels where you should pay attention to for Kusama's market cap. In 2023, we have seen the market cap drop to the $200 million region. Yes, we can see it drop lower in 2023. There's always that possibility. Worst case scenario, maybe just maybe Kusama's market cap will come back to test the $100 million region. From where we're currently trading right now, Kusama's market cap will drop another 50% if we're going to go to that $100 million region. But if we see Kusama pumping in 2023, where we might start facing some heavy resistance. First at the $540 million region, we've seen Kusama have some heavy reactions to that price point in the last 3 years. I'll not be shocked to see Kusama get rejected at that $500 million region when the market caps get there. But if we're very lucky and the rally continues to the upside, we might see Kusama's market cap even go above $1.2 billion, maybe even getting to as high as $1.7 billion in 2023. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you think Kusama can possibly go in 2023? Do you think we're going to pop to new all-time highs in 2023? Keep dumping to Goblin Town. How low do you think we're going to go in 2023? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications. Get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2.